This is Kaisi upgraded rotary heating separator. The heating platform can rotate back and forth 185 degrees. The rotating structure of ball bearings rotates more smoothly. The platform can turn left and right 60 degrees. Convenient use of portion to avoid damaging fan cables. Dual vacuum pump provides strong suction for screen opening. Unique lip-shaped sealing ring for large area absorption on the screen. Open the screen quickly and evenly without damaging the screen. Comes with a dedicated silicone pad. One quick start of suction pump for quick operation. Install the screen opener activity clamp. Install the front and rear to detachable clamps. Capable of disassembling curved screens. Heating-free screen opening operation. Installation platform straw interface. Open screen suction cup trachea. Open screen suction cup bracket. Additional curved screen separation molds can be added. Extended heating platform and phone camera protection slot. Start the main engine suction plate. Can quickly separate mobile phone LCD screens. Adjustable installation position of the separation plate. The suction cup bracket has 3 sets of installation holes. Meet different phone model sizes. Mountable countertop fixed tripod. Fixing working position with screws.